Welcome to Middle School Math Course 1, Unit 7, Area, Perimeter, and Volume. This specific topic, Topic 3, is all about area of triangles. Area of a triangle. The area of a triangle is the amount of space inside the triangle. The formula is A equals half BH. Real-life examples of using area of triangles: roof of a house, triangular garden, slice of pizza, and sail on a boat. This is the formula and how you work out area of a triangle. A equals half BH. First, we need to identify the base, which we call B, and height, which we call H. B in this triangle is 12 centimeters. H in this triangle is 8 centimeters. So after we identify the base and height, now we're going to use the formula. A equals half BH. Next, we're going to substitute the values that we have just found, which is the 12 and the 8. Now we're going to substitute it by writing in those new numbers in place of those values. Now we have A equals half. In parentheses for B, we're going to put the 12. And in the parentheses for H, we're going to put 8. Remember, B is for base, H is for height. Finally, we're going to calculate our new formula based on the information that we put from the triangle. A equals half times 96. How did we go from 12 for B and 8 for H? Because those parentheses were multiplied together before we received the answer 96. So step 3 shows that A equals half, and before we do anything else, we're going to multiply our base and our height, and then bring that down into a parentheses all by itself with the rest of the formula, which is A equals half. And now we're going to do A equals half times 96, which ultimately just means half times 96. And we get the answer, 48. So the area of this triangle is 48 centimeters squared. Always remember, when we calculate A equals half and then the parentheses 96, we are calculating 1 divided into 2. So 1 division sign 2 times 96 to get the answer 48. And remember, that's just saying half of 96. And that gives us our area, 48. Right triangle, acute triangle, obtuse triangle, and so on. Does the shape of the triangle change how we find the area? No, the shape of the triangle does not change the formula. We always use the same formula as long as it is a triangle. The formula again is A equals half BH. So take a moment to pause this video and discuss what you see in each square. Excellent job, creative learning adventurers. We will see you next time.